perched in a golden chair. The self-appointed great SADC King Mnangagwa on Sunday invited one of his subjects from the Limpopo SA province to the notorious farm hideout. He, the king, was once allegedly caught stuck naked in the act and chased by his wife into a maize thicket. This is also the farm Emmerson Mnangagwa has been marching members of parliament to, one by one, in order to get them to swear him as the head of state for life beyond 2028. Salabena Mashkoblan Wachinzi will Chiwenga be able to remove the King ED he created. Well, was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tina wana mobile ni komchinzi watanga posta this picture. Tukamiro nyika akagara pa chair amona kuti dia mambo. Ula ni komchinzi rama posta seems to join this list of loyalists in statements that go beyond previous ANC party endorsements that announced Mnangagwa a boasting white apartheid supremacist agent as more senior than Nelson Mandela in liberating blacks during apartheid. This picture speaks disaster for anyone wishing to replace Mnangagwa, especially for the likes of Constantino Chiwenga, who has been Mnangagwa's brutality enforcer since 2008. This is the king who is being created by Chiwenga since the GNU, and lately, since the day he unleashed soldiers onto the streets. Few alleged nelsonchamisa supporters on 1 August 2018. Only a moderate, humble heart who understands what needs to be done to reverse the damage and move the king that Constantino Chiwenga created. If there was a time when Chiwenga needed to rewind and reconnect with the masses and with the nelsonchamisa, it is now to apologize to the young man he's for years been threatening to crush like ice, the way he allegedly did Solomon Mujuru, and to stop being cruel and release his distraught 3 minor kids to go and see their mother made by one. Doma developments are good pangwa anyway. When I comment section medu za fundura any more to be pamzuru be ish. Don't subscribe or like or join on the bell icon.